All right, good morning, Stephen. Math 87, lesson 23, page 128. This is called something very important, subtracting mixed numbers with regrouping. Subtracting mixed numbers with regrouping. What they're talking about here is borrowing, okay? They already have common denominators in this one here, so we just have to borrow. We can do the 3 minus 1, but we can't do the 5 take away 7, all right? So what we have to do is borrow 1 out of this 3. Okay, take 1 out of there, that makes it a 2. I am going to put the 1 into the fraction, all right? So I have 2, and I have 5/8, 5/8, but the 1 I took out of here is, in terms of 8s, 8/8. This number here is equal to 1. Okay, so when I put these together, I have 2 and 13/8 minus 1 and 7/8. And now we can do the subtraction, okay? 2 take away 1 is 1. 13 take away 7 is 6. And one more step here, because you have to reduce this. Anytime you have a fraction, it has to be reduced. Divide the top and bottom by 2, and you have 3/4, all right? So when the first numerator is smaller than the second numerator, you borrow out of the whole number, take a 1 out of it, put in whatever fraction with that denominator is equal to 1. It's like this. 8 plus 5 is 13. That's exactly what we did. Now we can do the subtraction. Over here, we have a fraction, but there's no fraction over here. I can't take a fraction out of a nothing here. So I'm going to take 1 out of there, and that makes it into a 5. And in terms of I need to add the 1 that I took out is going to be in fourths. So it's going to be 4/4 minus 1 and 3/4. 5 take away 1 is 4, and 4 take away 3 is 1/4. All right? Over here, this looks like craziness because the percents and stuff, don't let it bother you. Same deal as this one right here. The 100, I'm going to take 1 out of there, and that leaves 99. In terms of a fraction, I'm going to take 3/3 out. So it's 99 and 3/3% minus 28 and 2/3%. Don't let the percent bother you in this. It makes no difference. 99 take away 28. Can't do that in my head. Wow. 28. Subtract. That's 1. That's 7. So I have 71, and 3 take away 2 is 1/3. And it's just the percent just comes along for the right. All right? So when you take the 1 out of the whole number, you have to add it into the fractional part as a fraction equal to 1. Shortcut is, if I'm borrowing 1 out of here, I'm going to add 8 plus 5. That gives me 13 on the top. Okay? Over here, I just took 1 out of the 6. I need it in terms of fourths. 4/4 is equal to 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. Just do the subtraction. Okay? Same thing over here.